Welcome back to this video. If you have been using 1688 Chinese shopping app for a very long time, or you are new to 1688 Chinese shopping app to ship and source products from China, but you don't know how to download or save product video from 1688 Chinese shopping app to your phone gallery, consider to stay to this video and see how to download or save product video from your 1688 shopping app to your phone gallery. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taobao, or Pinduoduo, or Idlefish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on the special bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your 1688 Chinese shopping app. Then after you open up your 1688 Chinese shopping app, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and get a particular product video that you want to download. So I'm going to use a random product right here. Like for instance, this particular product here has a product video. You can see from the top right here. What we want to do here is to make sure we click on the product link. And when you click on the product link, it takes you right here. Click on here to proceed. Click on that. Then it takes you right here. Next thing we want to do now is to see how we can actually download this particular product video. So if we click on the product video, you see that there is no way by which you can use to download the product video. So download button is not available. You can see the product video is played. Now, how do we download this particular product video? Maybe for advert purpose, or we want to send the product video to our client that we want to source for product for on 1688. So how do we download this particular video? So let's go. So I'm going to click on here to close this pop-up. First thing first, we need to make sure we get the product video link. And for us to do that, what we want to do is to click on the share icon from the top corner right here. So click on that. Then it's going to open up the like so. Go ahead and click on this link right here. Now, once you copy the product video link, exit from your 1688 Chinese shopping app, the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Chrome browser. So I'm going to open up my Chrome browser. Then after you open up your Chrome browser, next thing you need to do is to click on search Google. Click on here and then click on hold down. And click on hold down and paste the link. Once you paste the link, you need to pay proper attention to something here. You have to delete all this number at the last edge of this particular link right here. So for that, I'm going to delete everything. Now, once you get to the gap, leave it that way. Then you have to move your mouse again to this side and make sure you clear off all the character from the back. So starting from H right here, then continue to delete everything from the back, just like so. Make sure everything is deleted. Now you are left with the link. Click on enter to load the link. Then it's going to load up like so. Next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on the video. In some cases, if something like this is pop up, just click on close right here and make sure you erase this. Then go back to the product video. Once you click on the product video, you see now the product video starts to play. Next thing you want to do is to click on again. Then go ahead and click on these three dots right here. So click on the video link and click on these three dots right here. I'm going to click on the video link. Click on this. So click on the video link. Then click on these three dots right here. That's what you need. So once you click on the video three dots, this is going to pump up. Then you have download option right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on download. I'm going to go ahead now and click on download. And in a few seconds, you can see downloading file. Successful download. After download, click on open. Then you have the video in your gallery right here. For you to locate the video on your phone gallery, exit from the web page. Then go ahead and search for file on your phone, your file manager. Open up your file manager. Then you have the video right here. So you can see. So let's go ahead and play the video. Now you have the product video successfully download or save from the 1688 app into your phone. Let me give the volume. It's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use your 1688 Chinese shopping app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.